Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about CYPRUS. As you know, I did a video before about 5 best things to do in Ayia Napa. This time I was thinking about doing a video about my overall favorites here in CYPRUS. So this is gonna be really cool, so get along and let's go. Okay, so the first place I want to talk about is Paphos, of course. And this is like a super beautiful city that you just have to go to because it's so beautiful, it's historical, there's big malls to go around and shopping. Like I went to the Kings Avenue Mall. I was like, so big mall, like. And also I went to Jack and Jones. I didn't buy anything because my bags are basically full for going home anyway. But we went to Jumbo, for example, which is a big mall inside the mall. And that one you can just spend as much money as you want. If you go here, I can gladly recommend a restaurant we went to that was called Fat Mama's. It's a really nice restaurant. The staff was just amazing. And also the live entertainment shows they had in the evening with some mascots and everything. Really cool place, so you should check it out. And also now when we're at it, actually, so if you go to Paphos, you just need to take a car and go a bit on a little adventure up to Adonis Bath's waterfalls. This is where you can see the statue of Aphrodite and Zeus. Really cool place. It's so beautiful when you actually walk up to the waterfalls, and from here you can take a bath. There is a little entrance fee, about €9, but it's so worth it when you actually go there. As I showed you in my last video, we went there and it was just amazing. So don't miss out. Also take it easy on the road when you go there because it's up in the mountains, so it's not the best road. So the waters here in Adonis waterfall, it's really nice, and it's what I would say mildly refreshing water. Yes, but still worth it. Take a jump into the water and just relax. And as we go on this little adventure, we're going through CYPRUS, the whole thing right here now. So next place is actually go to Troodos Mountains. You can go through Troodos Mountains on your way down to the next place I'm gonna talk about. But first, the mountains. It's just something you have to see because the views are amazing up there. It's wonderful. And there are some villages I just can recommend, and they're awesome to go to. Some of them are very old and historical, some of them are more active. But the point is that some of them you can just go in, have a stroll on the old streets, and you can buy some homemade jewelry or textiles. It's just really nice. So just sit down, take a CYPRUS coffee because they're really nice. Take it from me that loves coffee. You're gonna enjoy every last sip of that coffee, I promise you. Also, on your little trip up in the mountains, don't forget to visit one of the active monasteries that is up here. So the monastery is called Ayia, and that one, I probably pronounced that really bad. It's a really nice monastery. You can go in, explore the monastery. There's also a little shop by the parking. Really cool place. I just still wish I got some drone footage from this place when I was visiting. But sadly I didn't. But maybe you guys can get those drone shots for me. You never know. And of course, I cannot make a what to do in CYPRUS video without talking about the city I live in. And it's of course Ayia Napa. Ayia Napa is just a wonderful place. It's one of the best destinations I've been to right now in my latest 2 years. It's just awesome. It has everything. And it's perfect for if you're a family, you're party people, or just a couple that wants a romantic stay. It fits anyone. There's just so many things you can do here in Ayia Napa. You can visit the Luna Park, which is really nice to get that adrenaline kick or just a really cool evening together and have fun. Next up is the harbor, which also is a really cool place here in Ayia Napa, just for a nice stroll in the evening. And you can get some really nice food here in the harbor, where you also have a really nice view. And as you know, heads up, you will pay some extra because you have a nice view, as I told you guys in another video about saving money. And if you like water, you probably do when you go to Cyprus, because Cyprus is known for their beaches. And one of the beaches I know of, many of them, is Nisi Beach, which is here in Ayia, Napa, and it's one of those that you really just have to be on. You have to see it for yourself because it's really cool. There's a lot of food or bars around it, and they usually have on one of the sides there is always like more party bars, and it's really cool to sit there, hang out with your friends or family, and just have a good time. But yes, there is not only Nisi Beach here, a lot of different ones. I know one that is very close to me that is called Sandy Bay Beach. It's much smaller, but it's so nice because there's not that much people. So I recommend that one if you want a more relaxing stay on the beach here in Ayia, Napa. So this was basically what I have about these things I've seen right now in Cyprus. There might be coming more. If you like this type of series, I will just give you all my secrets I have. But if you want to see more things here, I have the other video that I will link up here about things that you can do in Ayia, Napa. 5 of my best tips that you can do and how they look. So go check out that video. So sadly, we're coming to an end of this video, but I have something I need to tell you guys. So I bought some new lights, and this is one of them. Here we go. This new ring light I bought, because I cannot really use big things when I'm moving so much. If there is any lights that you can recommend me that is really good to take with you when you're living abroad all the time, I would appreciate it so much. But these ring lights are just saving my day so much right now, especially because now I have 2, because this new one I can actually put my phone on, and as I said, the other one is broken, so I cannot put my phone on it. But the best thing is I can have really good light all the time. Yeah, and if you want to see here now, difference with having an extra light, I have natural light up here, and then I have this light. So I will just show you without it. It gets very dark, and my face is like not very much in center focus, you know. But if I up the light, yes, there gets this better contrast of the face, which is so much better when you're recording. So that's a small little tip for you. But yes, I'm not gonna take up more of your time. I'm gonna finish the video here, and I hope you enjoyed it and that it will give you so much more information what you can do here in Cyprus. And I will see you next time. Have a good week.